me, Vanguard means quality. Vanguard is a brand that people trust to be right the first time, produce a high quality engine that will last them for years.
This is an engine that we want to build without mistakes.
The importance of bringing the Vanguard line back to the United States is to being closer to the domestic commercial market.
It really allows us to build to the demands of the commercial market, knowing that that's a much higher demand put on the engine, a lot higher quality requirements, so allows us to meet those expectations.
I believe the product does get better when you make it here because you have more control of it here.
With our vendors and our suppliers being in our backyard, obviously you don't have the long lead times from shipping parts from, say, China or Japan, where you might have a 3-month lead time. You can actually react a lot faster because you don't have to keep that inventory.
It's a high technology product that's going in high technology equipment, and the technology on that line certainly mirrors that. You walk in behind an operator and realize that you can see right there on the screen what's going on, and the operator can see that. I think people are sometimes surprised by the amount of technology that goes into it.
The Ujigami system that we're using is very advanced.
It's basically a system that gives instructions for the operator to do their job. So whenever engine or part comes to them, they have to scan a barcode or scan a serial number, and it'll display whatever type of model we're running and give them instructions for that particular engine. We
also have electronic DC torque controllers out there, and Ujigami records each one of those torques as we fasten the bolt onto the engine. And it also will not let the operator go to the next screen if we do not get a good torque. So all of that is rolled into informing the operator, keeping them error-proofing, and then recording data so we can track performance moving forward and do continuous improvement.
The process for the Vanguard Production Center is unique into itself. It's new to the Briggs and Stratton manufacturing model. It's taking standard work to a new level. It's ensuring that all of our operators, regardless of what task they're performing, are performing it identical to everyone else.
It really helps with training of operators, new operators that are integrated in the line, prevents them from making mistakes.
We wanted to build, a first-class engine, and we wanted a first-class line. On these new lines, you've got nice computer screens that have all the instructions on the screen for them. It's all integrated. It all changes automatically depending on the BOM. So when that engine order gets loaded, the correct information gets loaded on the screen automatically. So the operator knows exactly what they're going to build. They know the exact steps. We're using all electric tools. So every joint that's torqued on that engine, we have positive feedback. So we know we reach the correct torque every time. And that information is recorded. We've taken the top of the line technology we could find, we've applied it to this line so we can make the best engine possible.
People come in, especially dealers, they're all very impressed with the quality of workmanship that we have here in the Auburn plant.
There's accountability in the screen because they badge in and we know which operator is being run at that station, and they take ownership. So it's been positive. They know that they're taking pride in what they're building, and they can really step through and know that, okay, my name is associated with that engine that's going out the door.